So here are some practice problems that we're going to work on for your unit test as a review for your unit test on Friday. I'm going to go one question at a time and post that into Google Classroom for your convenience. So Tara paid $16.25 for 2 and 5/10 pounds or 2.5 pounds of candy for Halloween. What is the total price per pound of the candy she spent? So I'm coming over. So the first thing that I needed to do was to read the problem. The next thing is I'm going to circle or underline the important information and what I'm going to be comparing. And this is what I need to know. The total price. So I need to know the price per pound. So now I'm going to annotate it. I'm going to make my notes. So my first bullet is she paid $16.25. The next one, this was 4. So I'm going to put pounds. This is the abbreviation. You can write the word out, pounds. That's up to you. 2.5 pounds or 2.5 or 2 and 5/10. The question that I'm needing to solve is price for, and when you see this per pound, means 1 pound. Now that I have all my information, I'm going to next set my problem up. So I'm going to set it up. Line, equal line, equal line. Now I'm going to label. I'm just going to put, this is what I paid, or you can put money or cost, and then I'm going to put pounds. I'm just going to write out pounds, or you can abbreviate. Looking over here, I'm referencing $16.25 over 2.5 pounds. I'm needing to find the price. So if you're wanting to, you can put X right underneath the price. And so this would be X over 1 pound. To solve it, now I will solve. You're going to cross multiply. I'll write the word multiply versus cross versus the X because I don't want you to get it confused for the variables. So I'm going to just write cross multiply. And then I'm going to divide to isolate my X. Okay. When you complete it, we'll go over the answer choices in class, but I just want to make sure that you're understanding how to set that up. Okay, let's go to, that'll be it for number 1 on setting it up. Remember when you're cross multiplying, it would be 2.5x or 2.5x equals 16.25. And then we do the 2, and this is your divide, 2.5. And then I'm dividing that by 2.5. I'm bringing down my x equals, and so then you'll do your problem solving here. So I have my 2 and 5/10. I'll just do this first one here. 6.25. Because I have a decimal, I need to get rid of that and just move it out once. I'm going to move this out once, put that in my quotient and cross that out. Now I have 25 times. How many groups of 25 can go? It can't go into 1. It can't go into 16, but it can go into 162. So 25 times, if I do 8, it's going to be too big because 8 times, that's 16, and I still have the 5 in my ones place. Let's do 7. So 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, that's too big. So now I have 25 times 6. That's 30. 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 150. So let's go with my 6. It's 150. Subtract that out. That is 2 and 1. And I'm going to bring down my 5. Well, now I know it's going to be less than 6. So I have 25 times, well, let's do 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So there we go. She's going to pay $6.50 because I'm dealing with money. So X is going to equal $6.50 for 1 pound.